Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to Vlogmas. It's literally snowing outside right now. I'm so happy. I think this is the first time it's snowed this year. It's like barely snowing, but this is exciting. Today's a Wednesday. I just stopped at Trader Joe's and got my weekly grocery stock up, so I'll give you guys a haul of that stuff when we get home. Stopped and got a little coffee, and now I'm actually at Best Buy because I decided that I'm going to return the camera that I bought. If you guys missed it, I bought myself the Canon EOS M6 just because I wanted to like upgrade from the G7X, which I'm on now, and I don't know, I tested it out for a few days and I just couldn't really get used to it. I think just like the size is the main thing because I'm used to having such a small camera with the G7X, and for vlogging and like filming on the go, it's just easy to have a small camera. I really liked the quality of this one. I did feel like the quality was a little bit better than the G7X, but I don't know, I felt like this would only really be good for filming when I'm at home, which obviously right now is the majority of what I do, but hopefully like looking ahead when things are normal, I'm usually vlogging on the go and like taking my camera with me everywhere. So I just felt like this camera would be too big to like fit in a bag and take with me everywhere, and I don't know, I just felt like it wasn't super practical for me. So even though I really liked the quality, I decided I'm gonna return it, and it was also really expensive, so I'm like, if I don't love it 100%, like there's no point in me keeping it. So I'm just gonna stick to my old camera and I'm gonna return this one. Very disappointing, but it's fine. So I'm gonna just get this done and return this right now. And then later today, I want to do like a major deep clean of my apartment. So that's what most of this vlog is probably gonna be. I really like watching cleaning vlogs. I don't know why, I think they're like super satisfying and relaxing. But since my dog Lennon is away at training right now, I figured now would be like the perfect opportunity to super deep clean my apartment. Like I'm gonna clean the floors really well, and I'm gonna do this like baking soda cleaning treatment on my living room rug because, you know, having a puppy, things just get a little stuffy and dingy, and my apartment could just use like a good freshen up. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I can't believe it's snowing.
I'm still just as stunned. I really cannot believe more people aren't clamoring for justice for those who serve our country.
Okay guys, quick Trader Joe's haul, let's do it. I'm going to make salmon for dinner tonight as my like new little recipe for this week. I'm trying to show you guys at least one new easy dinner recipe that I make in the vlogs every week. So tonight we're gonna make like a butter garlic salmon, and then I just got chicken, garlic, ginger, blueberries and raspberries, baby spinach, some green beans to have on the side with the salmon tonight, some diced onions. I was feeling lazy, so I just got them already diced. 2 of these almond yogurts. I saw a girl on TikTok say that these were really good, so I just got 2 of them to try out. They're the vanilla bean flavor. Carrots, apples, red pepper, lemons, limes, zucchini, mushrooms, some white cheddar mac and cheese, 2 boxes of couscous, got some whipped cream because I want to have hot chocolate later, pears, bananas, avocados, got another one of these cinnamon rolls because they were just too good last time. I'm planning on going home probably this weekend and staying with my family through Christmas, so I'm probably gonna take these with me and we can like have a baking day because I shouldn't eat them all on my own. And then I just got this buffalo hummus and mixed nut butter, and that is everything. Kitty gets so confused when it's snowing out and she stares at the window and her tail is like twitching, and sometimes she makes weird noises. Kitty, do you like the snow or are you scared? Kitty, respond. Oh, you're stressed? Kitty, it's just snow. It's okay. It's okay. Okay guys, my big cleaning day is starting now. So this is the rug I was talking about that I want to do this like baking soda cleaning treatment with. It's not like super dirty or anything, but Lennon has had a few accidents on here, and like even though I spot clean them when they happen, I feel like the rug could just use like a good refresh. So I saw that you can like sprinkle baking soda all over a rug or a carpet and let it sink in for like 30 minutes or so, and then just vacuum it all up, and it's supposed to like take any bad smells out and just like make it super fresh and clean again. I'm not gonna move the whole couch off of the rug because like it's not like it gets dirty under there anyway, but I am just gonna try to move this ottoman piece so that I can get like this whole section of the rug at least. And I just moved the coffee table out of the way. So I'm gonna vacuum it first to get any like dirt or fuzz off of it. Then we're gonna do the baking soda, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then vacuum it all up again. Let's do it. Okay, I wasn't really sure how much to use, but I just kind of sprinkled it all over, and I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. I am running out of space a little bit in this cabinet in my kitchen. That's like my pantry. So I'm gonna do a little reorganizing in here, probably get rid of some stuff that's old, and just make this look much better. I also have this rug in my bathroom that could use a nice clean, but this one's from Ruggable, so it's machine washable. So I have some other laundry that I need to do anyway, so I'm gonna throw it in with those. Super easy to just wash this. It's the best. Time to clean these floors. They need it desperately. kitchen is all clean. I bought this like all-purpose cleaner from Target the other day. It's black pepper and balsam, so my whole apartment can smell like Christmas tree. Okay, so we're gonna take a little break from cleaning to make dinner. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna make salmon tonight, so we're gonna have another really quick, easy recipe to add to our collection, especially if you're cooking for one person. I've made salmon before, but I haven't made this recipe specifically, but it's like super easy, minimal ingredients. It's basically just salmon baked in the oven with garlic, olive oil, Italian seasoning, and lemon. That's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna serve some green beans on the side for a little veggie, and it's gonna be really quick and easy, so let's get started. I don't have Italian seasoning, but I have everything that like makes up Italian seasoning. So it's just oregano, thyme, parsley, and basil. And then you need salt and pepper, olive oil, a lemon, your salmon, of course, and then whatever you want to have on the side. I'll have the recipe that I'm following linked down below as well if you guys want to see the exact cooking time and everything. So it'll be down there. Rug in here is all clean. I just have some laundry going still. Now I'm just going to clean this counter in my bathroom. It gets so dirty from my makeup, so I have to do a good clean on this. Then I'm pretty much done for the day. The apartment is looking spotless. I just have some laundry drying here and then some more laundry drying in the dryer. But other than that, it's looking so clean and cozy. There's no better feeling than like a clean apartment with candles going, and it just smells so good in here and it's just so satisfying. I'm going to treat myself after a long day of cleaning to some hot chocolate. Kitty. Kitty? What? Kitty, what are you saying? Kitty's being very talkative right now, but I've had this hot chocolate K-cup for so long. I think it came with my Keurig when I bought it like at the beginning of this year. So it's just been sitting here and I need to use it. So I'm gonna make that. Let's do a Christmas mug.